Hey everyone, welcome to my review of this citrus press. My wife and I absolutely love fresh squeezed orange juice, and inside this video, I'm gonna show you how to use this citrus press, and we're gonna make some freshly squeezed orange juice, and I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. At the end of this video, I'm gonna give you my thoughts about what I think of this citrus press. After washing our oranges, let's go ahead and cut them up to make some orange juice. One thing that I really do appreciate about this citrus press here is just how easy it is to use. All you have to do is just simply cut your oranges in half, take one of the halves, put it inside of the press, and then pull down. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's make some freshly squeezed orange juice. I just like to put just a simple mason jar underneath here. Then we take our press and we just simply press down on the orange like so. I like to slowly press down. And as you can see at the bottom, we have tons of juice coming out of this half slice of orange. Now, half an orange doesn't get you very much juice, but you still get that freshly squeezed orange juice taste. And that's something that my wife and I absolutely love. And then this is what the orange looks like after squeezing it. Let's go ahead and do another half right now. We'll just get a little bit more juice inside of this jar. So just press down on the orange slice just like so, and here comes the juice. And that's all there is to it. Now we have freshly squeezed orange juice, and one orange got us a little bit over 2 ounces, so let's just go ahead and say 3 ounces of juice. So if you want a whole cup of juice, you'd probably need 2 to 3 oranges to make that. But otherwise, this press is awesome. We love using this thing. It's also extremely easy to clean. All you have to do is just simply remove the orange. Then you can remove this piece on the inside, and then this piece right here just screws off, and you can take this out and rinse everything well, and you're good to go. Just a quick rinse, you can put this thing away and use it again when you're ready to make orange juice. Thank you so much for watching my video review, and I hope that you have enjoyed it.